Hi, this is John from Suspension Max, coming to you today from this 2019 GMC Denali 1500. This is our test truck with 26,637 miles on it. This truck's been awesome. We developed this kit specifically for the Denali. This has got our 2.5-inch front level kit. This also has our 1.5-inch rear block kit installed to keep a nice truck profile. The truck really drives fabulous, runs good, rides good, has that Denali ride that you expect, and we want to maintain that and not jeopardize what you paid for it in this beautiful GMC Denali package. This has adaptive ride control, as you know, and it drives fabulous. I'm driving down Bay City, Michigan's fabulous roads after they've started to heave from our winter thaw, we'll say, and this thing just sucks up the bumps like nobody's business. You know, if you're concerned with, you know, the longevity of this truck, I've had this truck, I've driven it all 26,000 miles, and it drives fabulous. You're not going to be disappointed with this kit. This kit does have the 285/65/20 BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, and they clear awesome on the factory 20-inch wheels, and they really do fill the fender up very well. So if you're at all hesitant about getting this kit, I just want to put you at ease and let you know this truck drives great. It's a good kit. You won't be disappointed. Check us out at suspensionmax.com, and you can get your kit today.